karaoke. Feeling driver. Hindi daw akong driver. Hindi, joke lang. So, after, ilan nga ba yung bilang ko? After 6 years, guys, makikita ko ulit si Ann Curtis. Pero, hindi ko rin sure kung makakalapit tayo. So, abangan na lang natin. So, see you, Ann and Trinoma. Ganito pala sa Maynila.
Wala hanggang dulo.
Thousand years later. A few moments later. A few moments later.
Yung yung money,
Sergey Bean.
Ayun si Mother.
Oy, perfect.
Dalawa lang. Ano to? Parang fiang lang. Maingay.
Will! Will!
May tingin kayo na tingin dyan. Baka mamaya yung hinaapangan ko.
Bong Gonzalez in the house.
Yes, love at first sight.
Yes, kung kailangan nyo na stylist, nandito tayo sa Cardi.
Yes guys, Corby Sam on Instagram po yan. O diba? Rinomote. Pero guys, syempre panoorin din natin yung Love at First Sight every Friday po.
Ayun, todo support sila sa lahat ng mga all-out kasama, of course. Si Sir Vico Del Rosario.
Kaya dito lang ako, te.
Sir August Benitez.
Sir
Ayun.
August Benitez is also here. Thank you so much.
Yes. Randomantic. Yung team song.
Yes.
And of course, now joining us, we have Dustin Yu.
Yes, one of our housemates also.
Ito, interview.
Todo support talaga sila sa buong cast.
Yes, buong cast ng diba?
A few moments later.
Hello everyone, this is Tosher Garcia. Hi, and good evening, and sana mag-enjoy po kayo, sana mag-enjoy po kayo. Para sa inyo pong lahat to. And nagpapasalamat ako sa lahat ng mga bosses natin na napaka-busy pero pumunta. Thank you very much sa inyo. Mahal namin kayo. Okay.
And enjoy po yung panaroon ninyo.
Una and Chongbi! Yes.
Akala ko tapos na. Hindi, good evening po. Maraming salamat po sa pagpunta. And thank you. Fitch eh?
Hope you all enjoy this series.
Miss Carlo Aquino, sana po mag-enjoy tayong lahat. Thank you.
Panoorin niyo po si Carlo dito.
We love you! We want to thank all of you for being here with us tonight. You know, this has been a year in the making, and we hope you enjoy this journey of healing that we all took. And we hope that you learned something from it. Pero parang ilang episodes pa lang ba ito, Derek? 3 episodes. So, it's just the beginning, yung papanoorin nyo tonight. But I hope you enjoy the whole journey until the very end.
We love you, Cornel!
As the Healing Trio and everyone that's here tonight has a story to tell. So, I hope you guys enjoy it.
We love you, Cornel!
Congratulations, everyone. Kaya mo yan. Cyril, it's okay to not be okay. It's okay.
Hindi malata. Hello po. Hello! Hi! Sila Marshall, tumulong po muna ako. Alright, presenting
A few moments later.
Thankful saka proud kasi na-appreciate yung trabaho namin. Sana dito rin ma-appreciate nyo kami dito sa Pilipinas dahil para po sa inyo.
Same po, thankful and sobrang grateful kasi syempre na-appreciate yung trabaho ng lahat eh. Diba? Ng buong It's Okay. And ayun, sana thankful ka rin. Ikaw, ano message mo? Sige, ano, reaction mo?
Honestly, just very thankful. You know, coming from the people who created this story, which I so love. It's one of my favorites. So to hear them say that we gave justice and they love our version, it makes us all so happy na nakakaiyak na nga na parang, finally, this is it. And I hope that just like he did, everyone here will enjoy how we told it in a Filipino way. How it's okay to not be okay in a Filipino way.
I love it. Kaya naman we're so excited naman. Cinema 6, excited na ba tayo?
Excited na!
2,000 years later.
Makita ka nga. Madet! Madet! Aray ko! Ang Curtis! San sahod ni Matmat? Patpat? Relax! Asan ba? Kayo muna. Sino ba? Si KD Lex? Ito KD Lex? Si Ate Chona? Diyos ko, pataya, Charlie. Babalik ako ng pataya. Tara na. Ako pa ba ako, Mia? Mia! Joshua! Joshua! Ang galing!
A few moments later.
Pasensya ka na.